Girl, you wanna do something to me. Skin out the fat in front of me, lad. You're pretty just like a dolly. You want me, mommy, me and your papi. Wine up your sexy body. That tattoo, the cute, that's the flattest to me, huh?
Hi guys, jumping into the tutorial. I'm starting off with my Cover FX blurring primer. I'm gonna move on to the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm just basing it with my Sistar Cosmetics concealer. I'm just, making sure that everything is diffused evenly across my eyelids. And then this is where I actually showed you guys the box. And yeah, I didn't use everything in here today just because not everything that was in here wasn't necessarily makeup. But I shared with you a bit of what I got. I got Pharmacy Bright On. This is a face mask, and I'll try that out definitely another time. I got this brow pencil, and I already did my brows off camera, but yeah, that's what that looks like. And I got this mascara. This is unlashed, and this eyeshadow palette. This is the Crown Fuego eyeshadow collection, guys. I was totally drawn to this palette. I love the packaging. I love that little gold accent inside. These shadows, they don't have names, but gosh, I love them. I love the tones. I feel like this would be perfect if you do a lot of bridal makeup. It's just beautiful, and I had to create my look with this palette today. So in the crease, I took that like burnt kind of rusty brownish color, and then I go on over that with that darker brown on the outer crease area, and really just make sure everything is well blended and diffused. I really do like the pigmentation of these shadows, and how rich they are. So yeah, I decided to go ahead and do a sharp cut crease today. Okay, sharp. Let me know if you guys would like a step-by-step beginners friendly type of cut crease tutorial, something that really take you through how to achieve one perfectly. Let me know in the comment section. So yeah, I'm just kind of diffusing the edges here, so that nothing doesn't look harsh and stuff like that. And then I go back on that area with some of the previous shadows that I applied. Now I'm going in with this like the lightest shade from that palette, and this is what we're going to use on the crease area. I really wanted that area to pop for this eye look, and this look was totally winged. It wasn't something that I thought about before doing the video. So, and I really love the way it came out, like really love it. So I kept on just packing that on to the lid, and it was a really pretty color payoff. And this did have a little bit of shimmer in there, nothing too noticeable though. And then to further kind of just blend everything and make it look seamless, I used some more shadow. Now I went in with my Vulgar Cosmetics, my pretty Vulgar Cosmetics gel liner. Oh my god, guys, I couldn't find this the other day, but this is absolutely like one of the best gel liners I have. It is like probably the blackest gel liner I've ever laid my hands on. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. It created like the wing liner perfectly. I love it. I went in with some of J Glow, I believe, liner, and this is like a neon yellow liner. Okay, and this really kind of gave the look because this yellow was so popping. Like, I absolutely love it. And I was pretty patient with creating this line just because I didn't want it to look too like rigid and squiggly. It took a lot of time, so be careful and use a very steady hand. Now I'm done with the eyes for now. Moving on to the face, and I'm taking some of my Sistar concealer as usual. You know that this is definitely a holy grail product since recently. And I go on the nose bridge, center of the forehead, Cupid's bow and chin with my Kat Von D Lock-It concealer in warm. And I just blended everything out, set everything in place. By the way, if you guys would like an updated highlight and contour routine, also let me know if you're interested in that. I don't know, just asking. If you don't, it's fine. But yeah, I'm setting all those areas that I wanted to bring forward with my Milani banana powder. Now I'm gonna balance out the face with the the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte powder. Somebody said the other day, so how come you don't use the Milani? trying to switch it up a little bit, you know. Yeah, I just one of them things there. And then I sprayed my face and set it in place with my damp beauty sponge. What this does, guys, is it helps my skin to look more hydrated and more like skin, and when I apply my glow, it looks more seamless and like not like I just set some highlighter on the top of my skin. You know, everything melts in way better. So that's the purpose of that. Now I'm applying some the mascara I showed you earlier from my BoxyCharm to the lashes. A light coat, you know, nothing too heavy. For the lips today, I'm using my Lena Cosmetics Baby Matte Lipsticks. I'm taking Mystic and I believe Scent Nudes. Yes, I'm blending the two together, and this gave me a light pink color, a color that I'm not usually one to go for, but I switched it up today, you know, and did a nice little ombre lip. I wanted to lighten up the middle a little bit more, so later on I took my LA Girls Pro Primer in the white. This is a white one, and I dabbed that in the center of the lips, pressed my lips together, blended that out seamlessly. And voila, guys, that's the look for today. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope I didn't bore you. I really love the way this came out. It was actually Emancipation Day and I went out. If you haven't checked out the vlog, go ahead and do so. PETITE-SUE TV. Yes, guys, this is it. And as I said, leave your suggestions in the comment section. All the products will be listed, and if you're interested in BoxyCharm, I'll link it down below. Yes, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.